Hello viewers, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button so that it can enable you see more of our video whenever we upload new video. You know what I mean? So now today I just want to make a review on perfect additives, serums, oils that you can use while making your cream at home, that you can use to mix your lotion without even asking anybody. Just take this from me, and it's very serious. Okay, first of all, I want you to know this Zero Tech. You see, this Zero Tech is very good. Mostly people use it when they are premixing only. No, it doesn't really mean when you're premixing only, or you get making a large quantity. That's what I mean. No, sometimes when you get your own lotion, for instance, you get like 500 lotion, maybe like a lotion like this, all right? Maybe like a lotion like this. You can just, open it. Let me show you how it is, because we have different type of Zero Tech. You open it, then you can put like 1 spoon. It's very good because it removes dark spot. Yes, look at it. It removes dark spot. It's glutathione and kojic. So it removes dark spot very well. I know of this because I use it a lot. It removes dark spot, and it prevents your skin from other irritant, also skin irritant. So that's why I will always advise you to use it. It's very good, and I have other ones I will show you. There are more that I'm showing you. So if you're making your lotion, make sure you add this. Because the name, as the name implies, it works. It will fade all of your spots. It will fade it. So please, if you want us to quickly go into the ingredient, just because of time, I'm trying to see how we can, yes, okay. Vitamin E is there, you see. So it's not written in English, but I know vitamin E is there. So it's very good. It removes all dark spots. I use it a lot. So most of you buying our product, you should know that the combination we do apply this also. So now, in a quick one, I want to show you something you all know already, which is SkinFram as well. Do you know SkinFram is very good? It's just that the fake one is just too rampant now. Other than that, SkinFram is very good. If you're making a lotion and you do not add your SkinFram, I will always tell you, please learn how to add your SkinFram. In as much the one I put on YouTube, and maybe I did not call SkinFram, but for those, I know a lot of people who are lovers of SkinFram. Can I put SkinFram? You can put SkinFram. There's nothing. SkinFram is very okay. It also does this. It's a whitening. Are you getting it? It's a whitening. Only it's not like the way you expect it to, just maybe in 7 days, in 8 days. No, there are other additives that we add to those things that make those things be in 7 days, and the right product as well. This one is gradually that it will tone you. Are you getting it? And it will remove all your spot as well too, you see. Because I just want you to have this in mind, that whenever you are making a lotion and you add your SkinFram, it's a good one. It's a good one because some people they know that SkinFram is good, but they decide to go use some other one, and they've used this before and it worked for them. Are you getting it? But because they want to try. No, trying is not bad. Are you getting it? Trying other product is not bad. they will go and use like Skin Freedom, but you know that Skin Freemic has worked for you before. Why not concentrate? It lightens. I mean, it lightens from there. When you constant use it, it whitens you. It depends on your skin anyway. But when it lightens at the first place, like give you one shade, two shade, you know, before you know it, when keep using it, putting in your lotion, it will whiten you. Trust me. And let me tell you again about this SkinFram. SkinFram is one of the best products that among all the serums, the concentrate that you know that you can use. Yes, in as much it has the fake, and it's not because they're written original. No, not because of that. But in as much it's one of the constant that it does its work among all of them. Like you see this one, I'm sure you like this one. This one have another type. You see, but so it has another type. So you can easily spot it out. You can easily spot the fake one of this one. But SkinFram doesn't have another type. So they make the world, even when it's fake, you will always see that maybe look like it's original. But this one, you know, this glutathione superfort, like it has another type. The other type, which is the other type that is more powerful than this. That one you will see that the write up of the original is gold and it's being written all over the body. Are you getting it? This one is cheaper than that one. Are you getting it? Yes. They work, not that they don't work. They work, but it's cheaper. And just imagine when you miss this and you now add the Zero Tech to it. It's a good combo. It's a good combo. Come on, it's a good combo. The thing is, we don't know why we are making our creams. This is how you know good production. Now you know this thing is a lightening or a whitening. This one is a lightening or a whitening. This one is a lightening. You gather all the serum. When you gather all the serum, because they are whitening and lightening, they might not really light you the way you want it. But when you gather the right, then you make sure you put the right composition. When you put the right dosage, maybe you put this one 2%, you put this one 2%, and you put the other one 2%, and the right percentage of your lotion. For instance, if I want to make this one like, if I want to make this one like 250 ml, now I can ask, okay, let me put 2% of this, Zero Tech 2%, and also this glutathione superfort 2% of it. So you can just put 2% on that. Are you getting it? So it's very, very good for those of us. I've just mentioned 3. They are very, very good. Please make sure you use them. I tell you. Then another one I will always tell you again is this. Look at this one. You see this one? Wow, Rapid Whitener. Rapid Whitener, according to the name, is just a constant usage can give you what you really want with this Rapid Whitener. Come on, you guys might not know. You maybe use it once, you think it's not working. No, constant usage of Rapid Whitener. It removes spots. Let me tell you, okay, it cure. Listen on, it cure and prevent cream and gel reaction. So these are the things when you are not. It's very easy to make lotion, to promise your lotion. So now that you've heard about like it cures and prevent, not everyone you read and you believe on, but the ones I'm showing you, I'm very sure, very, very sure, because I've been using it. You can now add 2% or 3% of this one. Are you getting it? Because yes, it really prevents, like for those of us, our skin are prone to acne, you know. Yes, prone to acne, like at any time, anything you use, you are allergic to this, you are allergic to that. Mostly people who are allergic to different kind of skin reaction. This should always be in your cream, inside your cream. That is the secret to it. It should always be inside your cream. So when you put it inside your cream, it will prevent the skin from having those side effects, those side reaction, that skin reaction that is supposed to, to come out. this it prevents it from it. I know so well that if I don't use it like meaning the formulation is not, yes, if I don't use this, I should use something equivalent to this. So like it prevents all that from, and then again it said rashes and ringworm and other skin troubles due to bleaching cream reaction. The truth is, in as much we try to tone our skin, because the state of the skin and the weather we are, our skin is not prone, to have some side effects. Are you getting it? So to avoid those side effects, that is why you have to use the right formulator, the right ingredients. So you have to bring those additives that, yes, this one is for this one is for this. Just imagine when they say you are making it as a scientist, they say this thing prevents from rain, this thing prevents from sun. This is so also lotion has its own. Are you getting it? So this one prevents from skin ringworm, this one prevents from sun, this one prevents from sunburn, this one prevents. Are you getting it? So that is why all these things are very necessary. And when you know that, how do you use them? You take them by their percentage so that they can work effectively. Because once your skin is being bleached or your skin is being toned, there's every tendency that, because that wasn't the state of your skin, there's every tendency that your skin will be prone to one or two acne. Let's not be, come on, who are those who lying to us? Let's not lie to ourselves. Your skin will be prone to one or two acne. Even if you are trying, you're trying to remove your skin from the state of its original. Lies comes first. Lies, a lot of people tell lies. This is not my original skin. Who told you it's not your original skin? That's the original skin, oh, madam, brother. That's the original skin. That sun hit you, becomes darker. It's still your original skin. The sun only hit you and you darker. What you do, you're using a lightening cream. Now we are using a lightening cream to lighten ourselves or to tone. But don't forget that there will be a reaction, another equal opposite reaction, and that might cause side effect. But if you're using the right additive, because it might cause side effect, that is why you have to use this. Because now this, just imagine I use two additives that prevent ringworm, which is side effect, which are the most common side effect I know. Not even malice, but no. Okay, that was okay. Just okay. For instance, eczema, ringworm, rashes, right? Okay. Yes. Before we talk about spots, because if all those things are in your body, when you try to treat them, cannot create spots, right? So now, for you to prevent all those things from your body, you cannot use this or use any other thing. Just imagine in your lotion you use two additives that prevent ringworms, eczema, rashes. Come on, then now you have not sure that you prevent yourself. So when you're toning, any side effect that comes on, this cannot control it. So that's why I say it's very good. You add something that will control those things, that will fight against those side effects. Are you getting it? Now, to make it more sweeter, you cannot add your, look, you see this potion, what is it called? Magic Force. It's another very lightning element, serum, or concentrate that you can use, which is very, very good. Don't jump. I want you to watch this video finish. And do something and drop in your drop comment for us. Are you getting me? These are things, they are very, 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 very effective. Are you getting it? I don't want to make this video too long, but the truth is they are very effective. Constant usage, if they are in your lotion, it will work. Just if you're pro-mixing, make sure you work with the right percentage, like I told you, and always cut your cream on 250 ml. That should be enough. Are you getting it? Good. Now, All of them have their own composition, and there is vitamin E in some. But let's specifically say we put vitamin E on our own. Just break like 5 pieces inside. Are you getting it? Yes, vitamin E, you see, also good for everybody, and it's good for pregnant women a lot. Like some people say I'm allergic. Some said they are allergic to collagen. Some said they are allergic. Different type of story. That is truth. I don't blame them. That is truth. Are you getting to them? But me, I don't see any reason. I don't know why you should be allergic to collagen. That is very good for the body. I don't know anyway. But what about vitamin E? Vitamin E, I hope you're not going to say I'm allergic to vitamin E again. But vitamin E is very good and is rich. Please always, and sometimes I look forward to drink vitamins E serum, the drinkable one, or maybe the pills or the ones to swallow. All right, but this one is for lotion, so you can just put like 5 in 250 ml. 5 is okay, which is very good, and it's good for pregnant women as well. Now another oil I want to show you is this whitener. When it's original whitener, you see, wow, it whites. Look at it. It whites also. Look at it. It's original. Are you getting it? Yes. Let's just quickly see what it contains. It's a triple action. Wow. So I've told you before that when you're making a lotion, there are some oil that you can vouch for. So I vouch for this word it's good for when you're making you're making a lotion that is 2 shade, 3 shade. It's very good. It's very good. It's a holy product, and a lot of people, they be using it, but only they don't know the right dosage. Are you getting the right percentage to put? Just put 2%. 2% is okay. For 250 ml, 2% is okay. Let's quickly see what is being beta carotene acid, the fruit, then extract, the plants, and beta carotene. I mean, I try to see and it's for all skin type, 125 ml. So I try to go through for you, and you can see like what is being made of. But the truth is, whatever I cannot really explain everything right now. But whatever you're using for, even using to mix oil, you want to make oil, it is very effective. Mostly we have the new type now. Even the new type you got on this is very good. It's very good. Better still, let me show you another thing you will like. And I've ever talked about Labijanis, time with that number. Now, Labijanis oil, many times people prefer the carrot type or the cucumber. But me, I just prefer this. Yes, I prefer this one. Because some people will tell you, I'm allergic to carrot, and it's truth. Don't go say you're allergic to carrot, you go use them again. You go use carrot, I beg. Those are folks that are allergic to carrot, you can use this one. It lightens your spot. So now, an oil that lightens spots is spot remover. Constant usage, you see that spot will fade away. So that's why when we are using our lotion and we use Labijanis, Labijanis oil, it's like it concentrates, because it's highly concentrated, in the sense that when you are using it, some people said it fade away their what is it called, stretch mark. I don't know anyway, but that I can't tell. But the thing is, it works for good, like when you have dark area spots, it will work for it perfectly. Like you can try it. Even the carrot one that you're scared of, you can still try it. And we have something that when you put carrot, something that contains carrot, are you getting? There's another serums that you can put that will make it not react against you. Are you getting? We have a lot of serums that way. So if you are using this, it's very, very good. It can remove spots. I know of this. It can remove spots. Are you getting? It can remove spots. So you can now try it and use like 2% of it in 250 ml and get back to me. Don't forget that yes, we are on Christmas sales right now. So in this that I've just said, please give it a try and get back to me. These are the things you will know the right and best and how to use them. Are you getting it? So give it a try. Give us your own result. Let's see.